Welcome back to the Popcorn Genius. It's football season. We're popping up some great flavors for all your favorite teams, and today we're making a flavor for the Baltimore Ravens. Today we're popping out popcorn for the Baltimore Ravens football team. And Baltimore is in Maryland, and what's more Maryland than crabs? People eat tons of crabs in Maryland. They love them, and what a lot of times folks like to make with their crab feast, they season it with Old Bay seasoning. We're going to be using this Old Bay seasoning, which is zesty, salty, a little bit spicy. Great flavor. This has been being made for over 75 years, I think since like 1930. Oh yeah, it says it right on here, Chesapeake Bay area in 1939. So a really awesome seasoning. You can use this for all kinds of things. It smells very savory, and this should be a great flavor. So let's get popping. First thing we're gonna do is turn on our kettle, get that heated up. We popped another batch of popcorn in here earlier. We're gonna just check the temperature, see where we're at. We're at about almost 250 degrees. We wanna get that up to about 350, so we're gonna let that heat up some more. We're gonna get our oil ready. This is an 8-ounce popcorn popper, so we're gonna use 3 ounces of oil. We'll get that measured out here. And we're using Buttery Goodness oil today. This is a great popping oil, but it's also a topping oil. It has a great buttery flavor to it, so it'll add another layer of flavor to our popcorn. We got our oil ready, and we've already got our kernels measured out. These are mushroom kernels, so they're gonna pop up nice and big. We got those ready to go. Let's check the temperature in our kettle here. We don't want it to get overheated. We're at 418 degrees. This thing heats up really fast. So now we're gonna add in our oil, and we're gonna add in our kernels. And we'll close that up. Next thing we're gonna do is we are going to make sure that we have our Old Bay seasoning ready. Take a quick look. We already measured it out into this 1/3 of a cup. Take a look at that. Got a couple clumps, but they're not hard clumps, they're just soft. But look at that seasoning in there. Look how nice that is. Give it a little smell. It's very bold. The best word I can describe this is zesty. Very zesty, very bold. Smells really good, by the way. While our kettle's heating up and our oil and our kernels, I just want to mention that today's video is sponsored by kettlecornmachine.com. They make these amazing commercial size popcorn poppers, kettle corn style, big. They have nice big 80 quart size. I think they even make like 140 quart size. We actually have an 80 quart kettle corn popper from kettlecornmachine.com. We love that popcorn popper. It pops up popcorn so fast, and they make a great high quality product. If you want to check them out, there's going to be a link down in the description. You just go to kettlecornmachine.com and check them out. Great people. Tell Destiny that Popcorn Genius sent you their way, and I'm sure they'll take care of you. All right, we are starting to sizzle. I hear it, and we're starting to pop. Oh yeah, it smells really good too. I wish you could be here to smell this. It smells really great. It's that buttery oil. It just emanates throughout the whole house. It smells so good. All right, we're popping up. Now we're gonna listen for this, and as soon as it starts to slow down, that's when we're gonna dump it. Oh yeah, these popcorn kernels are nicely big. All right, we're slowing down. We're gonna turn off our kettle. We're gonna give it a dump. There we go. Oh yeah, nice and hot. Let's take a look at a couple pieces of this. Let's take a look at this. Look at that giant mushroom piece of popcorn. It looks so awesome. All those nooks and crannies on there to get our seasoning. We are going to use a 2-gallon Ziploc bag, food safe bag, and we're gonna fill this up with our nice hot popcorn. Okay, we have about a gallon of popcorn here. This is a 2-gallon bag, so we're about halfway full. It's still nice and warm, and now we're going to take 1/3 of a cup of our Old Bay seasoning, and we're gonna sprinkle this right in here. Let's close this up. We're just gonna shake it up. Just shaking this up is gonna get nice and coated with our seasoning. All right, nice hot popcorn, all coated. Let's take a look in there. Let's get a piece out. Let's take a quick look at it. Check that out right there. All the seasoning all over that nice pop kernel. Let's give it a taste. Ooh, definitely zesty. Ooh, salty, very salty, very zesty, and a little bit of spice. Just a little bit at the end. Ooh, that's bold. That is really, really good. Nice and salty, flavorful, really great popcorn. That is awesome. So remember, Baltimore Ravens popcorn here, going with the staple for Maryland. We've got Old Bay seasoning, Maryland crab, great, great flavor. You can make flavors just like this. Remember, in life and with popcorn, you just got to get out there and get popping.